Today we are checking out the UWANT Y100, a powerful multiple spot cleaner made for deep cleaning tough messes. It's designed to handle stains on sofas, carpets, mats and harsh surfaces with strong suction. Let's put it through real life tests and see how well it actually performs. Out of the box, you get the UWANT cleaning solution for free. You can use any cleaning solution you prefer. There's also a warranty card and a very straightforward instruction manual that's easy to follow. You also get the sprayer attachment with a long hose, plus a self-cleaning attachment for flushing the internal pipe after use. And of course, the main unit itself, the UWANT Y100 Spot Cleaner. Out of the box, the machine looks clean and well put together. It has a solid handle that feels comfortable in the hand. And there's a velcro strap on the cord to keep everything tidy when it's not in use. The cord is about 12 feet long, which is great for moving around the house or cleaning car interiors without constantly switching outlets. On top there's a single on and off button, keeping things very simple. There are also two handles, one is for carrying the unit around and the other is used to lift and remove the water tank. Overall, it feels practical and easy to move without feeling bulky or awkward. The water tank design is one of my favorite parts because it's simple and easy to maintain. The tank is divided into two sections. One side is for clean water and cleaning solution, and the other side collects the dirty water that gets sucked up during cleaning. The UWANT hose is soft, flexible and surprisingly long. I could easily reach the sofa, bed or carpet from a distance with no problem at all. And the water kept flowing even when the unit was sitting on the counter or down on the floor. When you are done using it, there's a lip around the entire base that holds the hose in place, so it stays secure and doesn't fall off. Now I will show you a real world test in a few different scenarios. First, I fill the water tank and then add a small amount of the UWANT cleaning solution so the stains come out more easily. This is the button you need to press to activate the spray. Let me show you. There's a very big visible stain on my curtain and also show you how I clean such stains. So I'm using this vacuum UWANT Y100 to clean it. The cleaning process is very fast. It sprays water with cleaning solution, washes the area and removes the stain easily. As you can see from the before and after, the curtains looks fresh and almost like new again. There are a lot of dirty stains on my sofa, including milk, spices, ketchup and yogurt. So the sofa was in pretty bad condition. Now I'm cleaning all of this using the UWANT Y100. You can see that when I move it back and forward, the vacuum has very strong suction from both directions and pulls all the dirt inside. The power is really good and it's cleaning my leather sofa very effectively. Here you can see a ketchup stain. First I am spraying some water on it so it can be cleaned more easily. As you can see, the vacuum removes the ketchup very quickly and effortlessly. Now I'm sitting on the sofa and it doesn't feel wet at all. There's no moisture left and it feels totally dry. And you can see the result, how it was before and how clean it is now. Now let's take this test to the next level. Here's I have a doormat that's extremely dirty already. I have deliberately poured spices, milk, ketchup and yogurt on it to properly test how well this can clean. First I sprayed a little water on the mat and within almost 1 minute it cleaned the entire doormat. As you can see, the doormat looks almost like new now. You can clearly see the difference. Earlier and top part was very dirty while the bottom was cleaner, and now the entire mat has been cleaned completely. All the dirt has been pulled inside. I'm using this velvet brush and it's perfect for glass windows, bathroom glass doors and mirrors. It easily removes water stains from glass and mirrors. As you can see, I'm cleaning this glass door and it's very easy to use. It sprays water and cleans at the same time. Not only that, it also great for light cleaning shoes, especially fabric or mesh uppers. It gently removes dust and loose dirt without scratching or damaging the material. After cleaning, the shoes are dry and you can clearly see the result. Sometimes cats vomit and it can leave a bad smell and vomit stain on the bedsheet. And my cat a few days ago vomited here. So I'm using this regular Bristol brush. This is the universal brush, great for cleaning dry, stubborn stains. As you can see, it cleans the stain and removes the odor very quickly. Now let me show you how this silicone brush works. It's perfect for sofas and carpets, especially if you have pet hair. This is my cat's bed and as you can see it's covered in hair because I haven't cleaned it for a while. There's a lot of fur stuck here, but the UWANT is easily sucking up all the hair and cleaning it really well. I don't need to brush it manually anymore. I can just use this vacuum and remove everything in one go. It's honestly very convenient for me, especially now I have two cats. One really good feature of the UWANT is the self-cleaning function. For this, you need to attach the plastic cover and then dock the hose and power it on. Once you do that, it literally cleans itself. All the dirt and dirty water inside the pipe are flushed into the dirty water tank. The way the entire hose gets cleaned properly. After that, you need to empty the dirty water, rinse the tank and you are done. The tank becomes completely clean and the whole process is very easy and hassle-free. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If this review helped you, please give it a like, and if you are interested in buying one, I have left the link in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.